Right, so here we go then. This starts the turd up. Some lights on. Right, please bear in mind that when I do drive this, my foot is going to be flat to the floor in every gear. The only modifications to the M52 is the inlet manifold. Just gets your turd going then. Excuse my amateur video. Second gear. Right, we're coming up the crossroads now. Into first. It's just a long stretch of road, this one, so here we go. Ready? So notice there was no wheel spin, no, no nothing. I'm just going to turn around in this driveway here. Smart driveway. Turn around! Turd. Right, we're at second gear now. 16 or around 16, 1700 RPM, flat to the floor. First gear, flat to the floor. So that's why she's getting a new engine, because she's not as snappy as what I want. It's not as responsive as what I want. And it fucking sure as hell don't go like the 328 should, I don't think, anyway. Not like this turd. Oh, look where the idle's sitting now. Oh, look. She didn't like that. Shitbox. Fuck, I missed my E30.